The SprayTec roof is an application of spray foam and silicone coating that can repair, restore, or replace any commercial roof. Spray-applied roofs are unique because they're self-flashing. Instead of being nailed down or rolled on, the durable foam and coating conforms and adheres to a variety of shapes and substrates, forming a seamless, monolithic seal. Our systems are energy efficient. They're insulated, reflective, and sustainable, so they qualify for cool roof status. The SprayTec roof is warranted. What's more, at the end of its warranty, 10, 15, or 20 years later, our roof system can be reapplied or renewed instead of replaced. Renewable roofs save building owners thousands of dollars in replacement costs. To recap, SprayTec roofs are durable, energy efficient, long-lasting, and an incredible value. Give us a call to learn more or request a free estimate.